Every time I pray for better days, every day feel it coming on the way. Gotta step on every pace, and no matter what it takes. Sa pusing mereka bilang ini itu. Haters gonna hate when it's right.
Hi, what's up YouTube? This is your girl Nubian Princess. Today I am going to pretty much work on my hair. It's Saturday. I don't have anything else to do, so I want to go through and check every single extension to make sure that it is secure. So I just wanted to basically record the steps on how I do it. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you, all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining my Nubian family, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So stay tuned. I'll see you later. Bye. guys, hi! I'm back. So I am done checking every single lock, and I basically added hair to the thin ones, and I used my tool, and I hurt my finger, you guys. Look, I hurt my finger. But I cleaned it with alcohol. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It is so full. Now, I did have 2 locks that fell out, and right now I only see 1 right here. It should be 2. I don't know where the other one is at, you guys, and I cannot see the back of my head. So I'm a little bit confused because I should have 2 locks. So I don't know where it's at. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I am happy that I am done. My hair is thriving. My hair is growing. It is what it is. It's very full right now. I kind of like the full look. I don't want to do like a retwist. I need my roots to thicken up because I got my hair interlocked when I was in Nigeria. And the interlocking didn't go well with my hair. So like, the interlock part is kind of thin, so I'm trying to get that part to fill back up because I would rather palm roll. So I'm going to stick to palm rolling from now on. And yeah, and so this is what my hair looks like, you guys. So everything is good to go. All the thin locks have been addressed. My hair is good, you guys, so I'm happy. Other than me hurting myself, everything's good. So thank you guys for tuning in. So I keep this, put this back in the bag, and then I just wait till, you know, I have to secure it again. So with lock extensions, somehow, even with locks from based off of what I've watched, you're gonna have times where your lock thins out, and then you always want to have like extra hair, so that way you can just fill it in. It's very easy to do. I do have carpal tunnel, so once in a while, that's why you saw me, I kept moving around. Like I can't stand still. So when I move around, it helps my carpal tunnel, it helps my hand, and then once in a while I do this, I pop my wrist. Like, it's really hard for me to do on my own head because I have a lot of hair. And so yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do probably is count my locks, because again, like I said, I had 2 locks that fell out. So originally I had 79 locks that were installed. 2 fell out, so that brought me down to 77. Now I cannot find the other one. I just have 1, so I might be at 76. So I gotta see how many locks I have going on. I think my loctician may have combined the other one with another lock. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do a video where I actually count my locks to see how many I actually have left. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is your girl Nubia Princess. This is my hair. Let me give you guys a close-up. Let me give you guys a close-up of the hair. Let me give you guys a close-up of the hair. So, this is what the hair is looking like. I have random long pieces. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.
Haters gonna hate